and hates when I record her, so here we are.
What, shop dog? Shop dog, shop dog, shop dippity dog. Where's my...
I want to record Shop Dog. Everybody wants to see Shop Dog.
You don't have eyes like Cobra. Look at those baby boys. Oh, look, it's Zip Tie City. Are you replacing zip ties? Or are we adding? 'Cause I feel like there's a lot
It's a little bit of both today. So Streetcar Takeover's coming up. So this is going to go all the way to the back of the car, I think, because I don't have room anywhere else. Maybe I do, but I haven't found it yet.
I feel like there's no room left in this area. I feel like you're really short right now.
It's a good chance. I'm hunchy today. So this is the stock washer fluid. It says washer fluid only, but that's false. We're going to put water in there. And what's going to happen is that line...
Time out. That was really funny. Sorry. He was really enjoying that.
That line is going to go all the way to the radiator, and it'll spray the radiator down. So like on race week, there was a couple times we got to like 227, 237 on coolant temp. Going up the mountain, towing a trailer with a foxbody Mustang. So we'll be able to spray the radiator with some, lukewarm water that will cool it down.
Put ice cubes in it.
And we can put ice cubes in it or whatever we want.
I like the ice cube idea.
Me
Hey.
too.
Hey, no thank you.
But we'll be
Sir?
able to spray it so
No,
that
sir.
it'll cool the radiator down. Or anytime, really. So if it's running hot and we're on the street, or it's hot outside and I'm sitting in traffic or whatever, I'll be able to cool it down so that we're not ending up overheating. You can break my teeth.
Can we just take a moment to appreciate his clean, organized garage, aka
It's pretty glorious.
our shop?
Not gonna lie.
He is way better at organization, I swear, than I am.
Finally got my radiator put back in. My buddy's radiator took out, and got to button up a few things. Got to get the fans put on. The other day when I was driving it, though, some coolant came out. I don't know where it came from, but I got to figure out what's going on with that. Might have broken a hose. I have no idea. But I'm going to fill it up and run it and see where that's coming from. Hopefully I can figure out what's going on with that. It was pulled up right in here and some splashed on the window. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Also, you can see the window's out. So this was actually the original window in this car, which is crazy. I don't know a lot of Fox bodies that haven't at least had a windshield replaced in them. But anyway, this butyl that they used to use to hold these windows in is just, very soft stuff. And the stuff they use now it holds the window in a lot better, at least from what the window guy was telling me. But I don't know. The window is out, though, because I get a roll cage put in tomorrow. I'm getting a 10-point roll cage put in, so I'll be able to get a 850 cert. I'll have to get an actual license for racing, which will be interesting. I'm not sure how that works. I got to go through that process. But with the car getting faster and having more power, before I turn the boost up, I want to be safe. So got to get the roll cage put in. I could not I probably could be happier right now. Maybe I couldn't be. I just found problem. Remember how I mentioned some coolant had started leaking and went all over the windshield? Figured out where it came from. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this very well. Yes! It's always good when you dunk your Milwaukee tools in an oil and water mixture. I've heard that it helps prolong the battery life, so that's what I was just doing. Pretty excited about that. What in the actual hell? You gotta be kidding me. So that hose clamp just said, nope, I'm out of the game, bud. Time for new hose clamp. That's I can't believe that happened. That's crazy. That was an absolute pain in the butt. But it is complete. We got a new clamp on. Just topping off some fluids. Sometimes work's just hard. Today's one of those. One other small problem I see. This is the ground for my ignition box right there. Is that on right there? Oh, loosey-goosey. That's not good. Not good at all. The new hole's a little bit tighter, so that's good. That should give me a good ground. So it would seem I had two issues that both came up at the same time. So the last time I drove this, I was just trying to get a fourth gear pull in, and I'd been driving it for a while, a couple of hours anyways, and I put it in fourth gear and I was data logging, I was about to make a pull, and as soon as I stepped on the gas in fourth gear, like I didn't even get into any boost. The camera is really dirty, sorry. But as soon as I stepped on the gas, it stuttered and then coolant. So, two issues. One, the ground for the ignition box is loose, and two, that hose clamp broke. So, both minimal issues, but still issues nonetheless. Alright, well, it's about 2 in the morning. I'm getting up early. I've got to be about 5 because I've got to get my car into Meticulous to get the cage done, and then I have to go to work. So, I will say au revoir for now. Till next time, make sure to keep your battery fluid on your Milwaukees up to high enough level. Don't dunk it in oil and water like I did. Drive fast, take chances. We'll see you soon.